What's going on, guys? Nando here, back with one more of those videos. We're gonna have just a quick little discussion about the Google Pixel 2 XL. And this video is not intended to be a final review. I've done that. This video is not intended to be a new kind of discovery of the Google Pixel 2 XL and what I think about it. This video is kind of like, do you, or should you, I should say, should you consider the Google Pixel 2 XL with a lot of other phones coming out right now in the Android world? You got the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. You've got LG dropping a revised V30. You've got Sony dropping tweaked up, and maybe you can consider a redesigned Xperia lineup. What else do we've got? And then you got, Apple further down the line. But right now we've got at least several big Android manufacturers out there about to drop some refreshes. So, Google Pixel 2 XL, should you consider it amongst those phones? I'm going to start this off by saying that I have just been rocking the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. If you haven't seen those videos, go ahead and watch those. I'll put them somewhere up there, maybe in the description down there. But go ahead and watch those. If you haven't, those will talk about some likes, some dislikes, what I think about the phone, a final review, and even a comparison with the Google Pixel 2 XL. Now, the Google Pixel 2 XL. Man, I've literally preached and raved and loved on this phone's camera since day one. And while I was using the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, I started missing this phone. I actually started missing the Google Pixel 2 XL, not because of the phone it is, not because of the things that stock Android can do and Oreo can do, but because of that incredible, magnificent, best camera on a smartphone, my opinion, and a lot of people's opinion, the Google Pixel 2 XL. I didn't even think about how much I enjoy taking pictures, how much I take pictures, be it Snapchat, Instagram, just general pictures that I upload to groups on Google Photos, Facebook, and pictures I don't even upload. I had no idea how much I actually took pictures, how much I miss taking pictures. I'm not a huge taking video kind of guy on my phone. For that, I use the camera like the one I'm using now, the Canon G7X Mark II, or one of my other cameras, like, for example, the Panasonic Lumix G85. You get the point. Those things I actually use for videography. My smartphone, I mostly use for photography. It's small, fits in the pocket, and there's that saying, the best camera is the one you actually use. I didn't realize I actually missed using the Pixel 2 XL because of its camera. It's so freaking good that it literally becomes something that I need to have on me. And I'm someone who's going to get the Samsung S9 Plus. I'm looking forward to that actual aperture lens of theirs. I will be getting it. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because I will be talking and doing the full reviews and the whole nine with that phone. But if you're someone who literally loves taking photos, if you're someone who's absolutely, positively sure that photography, that taking pictures with their smartphone is for you, you've got to really consider the Pixel 2 XL. Of course, there's other things about this phone that makes it a top phone to consider anyways. I mean, if you're considering this phone, obviously you've got a thing for Android. And if you got a thing for Android, you've definitely got to consider stock Android before you even start thinking about all those features and all those other things that other Android manufacturers can bring to the table with their version of Android. Okay? So, stock Android, Google, Pixel 2 XL, best camera in the game is this phone. I love it so much. I literally recommend it to everybody. The front-facing camera on this phone is so good. Probably better even than some phones' rear camera. If you're looking for pro features, if you're looking for things like that, there's other phones out there that do that better. But in terms of like, pull out your phone, see a subject, take a picture, post it online, make some prints, nothing beats the Google Pixel 2 XL. So if you're into cameras, if camera's your thing, please do yourself a favor and at least check this phone out. Hit that subscribe button. Like I said, guys, if you like this video, love this video, drop a like as well. And let me know in the comment section below if you are still considering this phone, or if you will be getting one of the new bad boys that come out, whether it's Samsung, whether it's LG, whether it's Sony. Let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, more importantly, to stay geeky. Catch you in the next one. Peace, salute, and adios.